this country is going through a very interesting phase because we tried a handshake, I think, over the 2 weeks ago, na ni kama imegoga mwamba. Hiyo ni mambo yote tutaongea juu yake. Ni kwa nini hiyo handshake inaonekana ikiwa mzito na mkono ni ya kila mtu. UDA ama KK is a sinking ship. So to try and join it, you can only join them if you want to sink with them. Baba is an older fella in politics. Yeye ni baba kweli hata ya siasa. Lakini saa zingine unaweza fikiria mambo ni iko namna hii, unakuta ni tofauti. Unakuta ground imekuwa tofauti. Kenyans are unhappy with the fact that William Ruto has never left the sunroof. Never ever left a sunroof. For the last, I don't know, donkey number of years, he has been on the sunroof. He runs the country from the sunroof. Again, he started a nari campaign. Look at the kind of campaigns, meetings he's having in Nairobi. And unlike any other presidential candidate, he has decided to use goons. Goons, to the point where he has brought back thuggery levels in Nairobi.